All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card from BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Well, sometimes we cover the 6-in-1 miners. Well, today we're going to cover BUSD crop yield farmers. That's right. This has been out for maybe 8 or 9 days. It's a fantastic project. It's brought by the founders of the BUSD crop farmers, and this thing is hitting pretty hard. We're going to do a full deep dive of it, and then also go over to the BUSD crop farmers too. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Now go on our channel to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day get in the project, understand the project, or even get some cryptocurrency. All right, everybody. This project, BUSD Crop Yield Farmers, is actually hitting pretty good. Let's head over and check it out. All right, here we are, BUSD Crop Yield Farmers. It is now live. It's got 393,000 that was put into the contract. It's got a balance of about 318 right this second. I got approved for 5,000. When you do it, you have to approve yourself for the BUSD. I'm making about $18 to $19 a day. My deposit was $781. I've already claimed right here, as you can see, $67. So every day I do claim it. I just did it a few hours ago, so I got 21 hours and 58 minutes before the next time I can do it. All right, let's go ahead and look at these plans here. There's actually 4 plans to choose from. Again, plan number 1, 2% daily. It's a 200-day program and a 400% ROI. There's a minimum of 30 BUSD to get started, and a maximum you could put in is 6,000 BUSD. Now, the thing about it is whatever you put in is locked up. You're only going to get the rewards. But what you put in, you're going to get 400% of the rewards, ROI. So if you put in $30, you won't get the 30 back. You're going to get the 2% a day for 200 days. All right, plan number 2 is 2.5% daily. It's a 90-day plan. You get 225% ROI. What's the parameters on it? It's got a 40 BUSD minimum, a maximum of 8,000 BUSD. So there's your plan number 2. Plan number 3 is a 3% daily. It's for 60 days, so you do a 60-day plan. You get 180% ROI. The minimum to get in is 50 BUSD. The maximum you can put in is 10,000 BUSD. And a lot of people are doing this plan 4. It's only a 40-day lockup. Well, again, you don't lock it up. You're going to, whatever you put in, it's burned or it's locked up in the program. You're going to get the rewards. You get 3.5% daily. It's 140% ROI. There's a minimum of 60 BUSD and a maximum of 12,000 BUSD you can put in. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. This is, in the different arenas, you have your winners and you have your losers. My node projects were losers. The strong nodes didn't do as good as we thought they were going to do. This BUSD crop farmers are winners. All the crop farmers, the BUSD, the USDC, the FTM crop farmers, and the BNB crop farmers, all of them have been winners for me, all 4 of them. So this project, brought to them by them, is another winner. So when you're doing your cryptocurrency projects, you're trying to find winners to put into the game. This, in my opinion, is a winner. Now, again, all my information is for educational purposes only. Do your own homework. I am not a financial planner. But I do like this plan. Let's go back over and do a little deep dive of what's going on and how it works. You can also compound your rewards. Compound 5%, bonus, another compound 5%. I was watching another YouTuber, and they said don't compound your 40 days, because if you compound for 3 or 4 days, you're still only going to have 40. So even though you're putting it in there, it may be hard to actually get all your money back. So, all right, the 3 plans that I took here, I took plan number 1. I put 200 BUSD in it. I'm making 2% a day. How many more days left do I have of it? I have 193 more days. So I've been doing this for 7 days, and every single day I claim my rewards. I'm getting about 18, 19 bucks a day from all 3 of these plans added up. Plan number 4, which is the most common, is a 3.5% return. I put the minimum is $60. I put $69 into this. How many days have I been doing this? 40. I've been doing it for 7 days. I got 33 days left here. So 33 days left, and then that contract will be done. And then at plan number 2, I put 512 BUSD in it. You get 2.5% daily. Take a look here. I have 87 more days left. So again, coming up here, I've already claimed my withdrawals. I've already withdrawn $67, and I put $781 in. Tomorrow, I'll have over 10% of my initial already back so far. All right, let's talk about some of the fundamentals of this actual project. Project details. Well, the BUSD crop yield farmers, project details. The BUSD crop yield farmers are by the crop farmers. Again, all 4 of the crop farmers for me are winners. I'm trying to put more winners in my portfolio because, again, my nodes were losers, so these are winners. Plan number 1, it's a 2%. Plan number 2, 2.5%. Plan number 3, a 3% daily. Plan number 4, 3.5%. Now look at there's different days. Plan number 1 is a 200-day and a 400% return. Plan number 2 is only a 90-day plan with a 225% return. Plan 3 is a 60-day program with a 180% return. And plan number 4 is a 40-day with a 140% return. Look what it says. In asterisks, initial deposits are not refunded at the end of the plan. You can't get your initial back. You're only going to get the rewards back. Also, withdrawals are subject to a 10% tax sustainability for the program. Sustainability tax stays in the contract. The whole 10% stays in the contract. Isn't that fantastic? Plan requirements. Plan 1, you have to do 30 BUSD. The maximum is 6,000. Plan number 2, there's a 40 BUSD minimum. Maximum's 8,000. Plan number 3 is a 50 BUSD. Maximum is 10,000 BUSD. And plan 4 is a 60 BUSD and a maximum of 12,000. There's a referral bonus of 1 level of 5% on the initial deposit. There's some anti-whale control features. Number 1, there's a 48-hour cutoff period time. There's a 24-hour withdrawal down cool period. So when you actually withdraw your money, you have to wait 24 hours before you can do it again. For compounds, there's a 12-hour compound cool down period. So if you compound your money, you got to wait 12 hours to do it again. The maximum deposit limit that you can put in on all the plans combined is $36,000. And for the whales out there, you can only claim up to $1,000 per day. 1,000 BUSD per day. Contract features. There's plan rewards, so there's 4 different plans. Special event pools, project statistics, compound features. I should say compound functions with a 5% compound bonus. Bonus is non-staking. And there is an experimental DeFi farming app. So far, loving this project. Again, it's only been out for about 9 days. Really, really liking it. Again, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon. Why do we like this? We like this because of the crop farmers. I'm going to head over to the crop farmers real quick just to show you. Here we are at BUSD crop farmers. My only mistake on this is I only put $250 into it. My compounds is 2661. Look, I've doubled my money. I got 533 back. Right here, I'm at 10 compounds. I'm actually making $55 a day. In 33 hours from right now, my cart will be full. So sometime tomorrow, this will be about $70, $75. Well, actually 50, about 80, about almost $90. And then tomorrow, I will claim this BUSD. I can claim it right now, but why would I do that when right now my cart is filling up? But again, because these crop farmers were so fantastic and we're doing great with these crop farmers, I need to add more winners into the project. Because I like the BUSD crop farmers, I'm definitely liking the BUSD crop yield farmers. So again, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon. Click right here and I'm going to link the BUSD crop farmers. Click over here, I'm going to link the USDC crop farmers. All right, everybody, Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner, adding winners to the project. Don't forget to do your own homework. All my information is for educational purposes only. You have a fantastic day today.